PostgreSQL 17 is now available for download. This release features performance improvements for SQL queries, enhancements for partitioned and distributed workloads, as well as updates to the developer experience. PostgreSQL 17 has new security features, a new ability to perform incremental backups using PG-based backup, and updates the monitoring capabilities using the SERIALIZE option together with EXPLAIN. The PostgreSQL process responsible for reclaiming storage has a new data structure responsible for using up to 20 times less memory than usual, and the same process can also use as much memory as you desire if you fiddle with the maintenance work mem variable. PostgreSQL 17 also comes with parameters that can control the scalability of transactions, subtransaction, and multixact buffers. PostgreSQL 17 can use the statistics of the query planner and the sort order with queries to optimize these queries. The users of PostgreSQL 17 can split and merge partitions, as well as enjoy new features with logical replication using hash indexes for lookups. Developers using the newest version of PostgreSQL are also able to use the JSON table features to convert JSON to a PostgreSQL table, as well as use JSON-based query functions. Developers using bigger datasets may see up to 2 times performance improvement when exporting large rows using the copy mechanism. The copy mechanism also has a new option called onError that lets the copy proceed even when errors are encountered. As far as security goes, PostgreSQL has a new parameter called SSL negotiation, which allows the database to perform direct SSL handshakes. Incremental backups can now be performed using PG-based backup, as well as combined with the PG combined backup utility. This release also added a new option to PG-dump that lets developers specify a file that contains instructions on what objects to include or exclude from a backup. Finally, there have been enhancements to the EXPLAIN clause. The SERIALIZE option is now available, and the memory option will tell you how much memory the optimizer is using. EXPLAIN also shows how much time is spent completing I/O reads and writes. Subscribe to learn more about features in PostgreSQL, and until next time.